So we finally got our hitch installed, connected to the car and the RV. So we are back at Camping World today, getting our hitch installed. Back there, our car's back there, and then the RV is on the other side, right there. But I think everything's installed already, and so I think we should be good to go pretty soon. I'm excited about it. Aiden, what's going on? You have something you want to say? You don't want to say anything? No. He's hangry. That's okay, baby. Come on. So, but anyway, almost done with our install. So, yay. So we finally got our hitch installed, connected to the car and the RV. So we're getting ready to head out of Idaho so we can continue exploring. At least I don't have to drive anymore, so yay. And yeah, we did it at Camping World, so they did all the installation and everything, and customer service was like perfect. We're at the Camping World in Idaho Falls and like really loved it here. So if you're looking to get any stuff with your RV done, highly recommend it. All right, bye. Bye. Bye, Aiden. Just got to South Dakota and now we are going to unhook the RV. Well, my husband already did the first part, which is separating this two. So he's gonna put that up and put it away. It's not like too much work. Pretty worth it for us to ride together. So, I mean, I love it. What is that for? To cover it?
It's a dress.
It's a dress? What do you mean it's a dress? Does it fit over it?
We'll find out.
Okay.
So, go this way.
Okay, not bad. Pretty cool.
I told you it has a dress.
All done.